Hi, my name is Glenn, and I'm going to give you the Vivint, and a Honeywell security system review. So first, sorry about that, I'm kind of hungry. um, so first, I'm going to show you the Vivint first, and in my next video, I will show you the control panel. So, anyway, I think that Vivint is really good because my grandma, she had one before she, was gone, and thank you, and she kind of she had she bought it in 2000, I think it was 2010, and I think that it's a really good security system. I have used it, and when she had her heart attack, all I had to do was just press one little button on the control panel and press emergency. That's all it did, and Vivint was there for me. That ambulance was there in at least a minute and 25 seconds at the most. So that is the best secure system ever. I can't really think of another one. Okay, so next I'm going to go with Honeywell. It's a good secure system, and what I like about it is they give you multiple options like business and fire protection. So you can use the fire. What you would want is if you wanted fire and security protection, you would go ahead and use the Honeywell Vista 4 control panel and the fire alpha and the commercial fire alfalfa keypad. And it is a really good, so that's what I like about Honeywell. It offers you wireless, wired, and fire protection. And unlike other security companies, well, most security companies, they will charge you a small fortune for fire, CO, and water. With Honeywell and Vivint, they don't do that. So I really recommend Honeywell and Vivint. That is my two best ones. Myself, I prefer the touch screens, but that's my opinion. You guys may like something else, but that's my opinion. So I really prefer the touch screens, but again, like I said, you may not like the touch screens. You may like something else. So if you would like Vivint, call 1-800-216-5232. I will have those numbers listed for you down at the next review. Down here at the next, I will have those numbers listed for you in a bubble on my window. Thank you. Have a great day.